that one?
About this one. This one. Oh. Yeah, open this one. Oh, hold on.
And that has had a long way.
It's mine. Look at that one.
Yeah, look at
We might have to get the scissors.
Whoa. It's a manful one. Your name is...
Oh my goodness, it's got buttons on it.
I know. You got a little controller for it. Take him out of that
Yeah.
thing.
We might need batteries.
Let's see if we need batteries for it.
Yeah, so that's all.
Batteries for it.
We've got lots of double A's.
Oh, it's not underage. It is like
Oh, God. This is a robot.
Well,
Double A.
well, this is the robot and that is the robot. And pink is mine.
Everything is yours?
Yes.
What's Santa ate them cookies? Every one of them. You must have been hungry. Or you liked your cookies.
They made them for my mom.
Uh-huh.